Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Merry Christmas to each and every one of you and prosperous New Year to you. In today's video, we are going to make vegetable soup and we are going to make it in village form. And this is kumbia in Nigeria and we call it mackerel fish generally. Now, if I tell you how much I bought this fish in Nigeria, you will say, wow. No, this is a festive period. We are in the village and we are going to cook the vegetable soup in a village form. We have here turmeric, ginger, garlic, and onion. We are going to blend it together. Just give me a little while to blend it off the camera, okay? So we're so good. This is the onion, ginger, garlic, and turmeric that I showed you earlier. I've blended it and I'm going to add it to the mackerel fish. And mackerel fish is only thing we are going to use in this particular soup because we are going to eat it at once. I will add a little water to rinse the plates and that is it. This is boiled scotch bonnet pepper and fresh tomato. I will add it to the mixture and with the ones I've added on it, we will call it pepper mix. This is shrimp seasoning cube and some salt to taste. Make sure you use a little salt because now I will mix to combine. Be very careful. I've light up my gas. I'll mix to combine now that the fish have not cooked. And I'll cover until the fish is completely cooked. Yes, it has been cooking for about 15 minutes now. The fish is well cooked. Wow, this my fish want to break. Move it carefully. After removing the fish, we don't use palm oil to cook this particular vegetable soup. We use only a little egusi. So I'm going to add the egusi carefully. And I've just added a little water to rinse the plate. I will add it to the soup, stir carefully to combine, and then cover to cook very, very well. You know, it usually take a little time to cook. We don't have to eat it raw, alright? This is 15 minutes later. Let's check the egusi. It's cooking and I want it to cook very, very well to be able to get rid of that fresh taste. We allow it for more 20 minutes. Please make sure you cook on a low to medium heat to avoid burns. So this is more 15 minutes later. Now next thing is to add some crayfish. We need to add enough crayfish, okay? I will stir it to combine. And after stirring it to combine, I will cover it to cook more for 10 minutes. You know, you have to cook egusi very well so that it will not have that fresh taste. Cook on a low heat. Now that everything is well cooked, I want to add back the fish carefully so that everything will cook together. Have you made this kind of vegetable soup before? What was the outcome? This vegetable soup used to be very, very delicious. You try this method of vegetable soup and thank me later. Now that everything is well cooked and combined, I will add my vegetable. This is the vegetable I am using. This is oko. You can use any vegetable of your choice. Now it's not the season of oko in the village because now it's dry season in the village. So this is all we are able to get. I will allow the vegetable to cook a bit before mixing it. Now we will not allow the vegetable to overcook, okay? We will stir to combine and be very careful with the fish so that it won't disintegrate. This is 1 pot vegetable soup. going to finish it just now. And this soup is as good as ready. Hold on, let's dish it so that you will see what I'm talking about. The oilless egusi soup is ready. Can you see how beautiful it looks like? This is so healthy. If your doctor have told you not to be eating oil, this is the best vegetable soup for you. It is so healthy with turmeric, ginger, garlic, all the natural healthy spices. And this is it. So delicious. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Share the video, like it, and subscribe to our channel. God bless you. Merry Christmas once again.